A growing fast fashion manufacturing industry in China and Bangladesh by low paid workers has become dangerous to the environment in many ways. These clothes, mostly sold in Western countries, are hardly worn and quickly discarded due to its poor and cheap nature. They are then sorted in the Netherlands, and items unsuitable for sale are sold on to Eastern Europe. Clothes are also sorted there too, and what isn't suitable for their market is sold on to Africa. 20 million of these second-hand clothes arrives every week in West Africa's biggest second-hand clothing market, Kantamanto in Accra, Ghana. According to research, 40% of it end up as waste in various places such as the beach. To aid in solving the textile waste problem in Ghana, a group of young men in Takrady recycle second-hand clothes, especially jeans, into bags. Let's hear their story.
Hello.
Yeah,
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nana Badako.
thank you very much.
So, can you tell us about yourself, please?
Okay, so my name is David Abakan. I'm the team lead for Common Sustainable Designs. So I completed Takrady Technical University and later ventured into this sustainable business.
All right. So, King David,
Yeah,
sorry.
sure.
Talking about the brand Common, how did you come about with the name?
Okay, so we just picked up the name from maybe Come Along because we were dealing in more of bag products. So we just gave it Come Along, and we added sustainable design because we believe in sustainability. Common Sustainable Design is a climate action business that is focused on textile waste. So we use textile waste to produce bags for students, entrepreneurs, and the general public. Yeah, and those who love the environment too as well. Yeah, we are also this business was also formed to eradicate unemployment or minimize unemployment. So we created this business to also reduce the unemployment because Western region is a hub of mining or a mining center whereby most of the youth are indulged in illegal mining and all that. I know these activities end up destroying the environment. So with our line of business, we will provide decent jobs for the youth whereby most of them will not be indulged in these illegal activities, or whereby most of them will also raise their life passing through the Mediterranean Sea, whereby losing their lives to just get a better life outside. Yeah, so our line of business in two ways is just providing jobs for the youth and also upscaling or recycling of textiles into fashionable products and mainly school bags.
Okay. So, do you get people walking in to look for employment?
Okay, so we have people that are looking for employment, but then the challenge is we don't have enough equipment for them. Do you understand? So we have already skilled people that they are very good with their craft, but because you don't have enough equipment or enough production tools for them, we can't employ them. So we have very little that the team are using. So I think in the future, or maybe when you get support and when you get support to acquire some of these machines or these tools, be able to employ people.
So if I have a machine, I can come and learn?
Yeah, if you have a machine, you can come and learn. We train people for free.
Oh, okay. So you've been training people?
Yeah, we're training people.
How would somebody know about the training? Do you go around?
So we advertise them on our pages on social media.
Okay.
That's Common Sustainable Designs on Facebook, Common SD on Instagram and Twitter. So we advertise on these things, and also we share them on social media platforms on WhatsApp.
So you don't go around telling people that, hey, do you have somebody who wants to learn something?
No, we don't go around. And through the support of SC Hub, that's an NGO that supports startups in the Western region. Yeah, they also provide those who want to learn or acquire skills in sewing. They bring them to us, we train them.
The concept is from the backpack.
Yes.
and the other bags. Yes. I understand you do backpacks. What other products do you do?
Okay, so we have a lot of products at the moment. We have side bags for students. We have backpack for students as well. We also have traveling bags for people who love to travel and all that. We also have ladies' space. Ladies' space. You have laptop bags and all that. So anything bag you can think of, we produce them.
How will you describe business after learning all this? How is business going for Common?
Oh yeah, business is very good because as I told you, we started on a very slow pace, but then currently we have increased our production, or let me say we have doubled our production because a lot of people are getting to know the brand in Western region and even outside Western region. But you just want to conquer Western region first, then maybe later try other cities. But then the business is really doing well.
Okay.
We've produced close to like 1,000 bags.
This year?
No, as in when we started.
Okay. Oh, okay.
We produced like close to 1,000 bags.
Okay. Do you have competitors?
No, we are
So
not
far.
looking at competition. We are not looking at competition, but we are trying to solve a problem.
Okay.
We are trying to solve a problem with our business. So we don't have. I'll see them as partners. I see them as partners because those who are into these tailoring services, they have the skill. In case maybe you have contract or orders, you can just outsource it to them. They can also make a living out of their skill.
Okay, so do you outsource often? You send
No, right
products?
now we don't have any major contract that demands outsourcing. But then in case in future we get, probably you can either employ them or outsource some of the contract to them.
King David, please, where do you get the jeans from?
Okay, so we source it from so many ways. So we are currently running an innovation program whereby people can bring their jeans and also make money out of it. So instead of dumping your jeans into the rings, you can just bring it to us, sell your jeans to us, who will pay you. Then we will use your jeans to make a bag, then we sell it off. You understand? So that's one of the innovation programs. Or probably if you have a jeans and you don't want it, you can bring it. We'll make a jeans for you, just pay something little. Okay. Do you get it? Then we'll give you the jeans. We also have a process whereby you can bring your jeans. We'll do it for you for free, depending on the quantity of jeans.
Okay.
So we buy the jeans we also go to these sellers and we buy the jeans from them. You know, most of these jeans are sort of an extra, like they are very huge. These jeans are very big that no one wants them. So these sellers try and dash it out to their friends and all that, to use them as racks and all that. And also if they can't consume it, probably they also throw it away. So we go to them and negotiate to them and buy these jeans. So instead of ending at the landfills or in our drainage systems, we just negotiate with them, we buy them, and we upskill them into fashionable products. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's really great. So how do you finance this? How are you?
Okay, so currently we are financing through our own strength. Yeah, so as we just make some contributions together and finance the business process. But then we've had a few support from some organizations. Yeah, so from WIDU, we had a grant from WIDU. That's when we used to buy some of the extra machines that we are using. Okay. And also SCR2 has been in support of this business.
Okay, I also see Wahab Innovations. Yeah. What do they do?
Okay, so Wahab is more of like our fashion brand. So Common Sustainable Design is more of like bags. They are bag focused. So Wahab is more of like the fashion aspect, whereby we make men's clothes, women's clothes, anything like fashion. Yeah, so we sew suits, shirts, trousers, anything you can think of. So that's what Wahab is known for. It's a branch of Common. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. So do you face some challenges? Tell us about them.
I think right now it's about production, because we don't have a lot of equipment that we can use to meet our targets. Because a lot of our products are on a high demand, but then because we can't produce to meet these targets, it becomes very challenging due to the limited machines we have. Because you have skilled labor ready. You have people that they are ready to learn, or they have the skill already. So we just need an extra machine to just employ them or bring them in so that we can produce more. Okay. So I think one of the challenges is also the inadequate machinery we have.
Okay, so please, if you are out there and you have something to support this business, please don't hesitate to do it. They are really doing a lot of creative bags, a lot of creative things that I've seen. I can't take my mind off it. So I've seen some of these bags here. I think we should talk about them. We see leather bags. We see bags made of other cloth. How unique is this one? Made of jeans.
One unique thing about our business is any bag we produce, it's unique. It's unique for you, or like customized for you. You cannot, you can't produce them again because any production you do, we take.
Okay.
You understand? Any production you do, we take. So probably, you might like the same thing, but you might not use the same cloth for you.
Oh,
you understand? You might use a different cloth, or probably use a different jeans. That makes our product very unique. So we also have a 30 bag. So this is more like a shopping bag, whereby you can go to the market with it. So it has a blend of jeans and a kente.
Wow.
You understand? It has a blend of jeans and a kente. You have traveling bag too. So traveling bag, you can just make it for your choice or customization, just to suit where you want to go. So this is a jeans and also a khaki.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, khaki. So that's how it looks like. We have side pockets where maybe you can just put either your coins or maybe any important document and all that.
Yeah.
That's it. So this a backpack that holds a laptop.
Okay.
A laptop bag. So as you can see, this is the backpack, but then we have a laptop inside. You have a laptop inside. So, and it's very foamy. When you look at this, when you look at the texture, yes, you see it's very heavy.
Yes.
So even when this one drops on the floor, because of the heaviness it not really have a great impact on the laptop.
Yes.
Do you understand? It don't really have a great impact on the laptop. And also to the weight, because the weight and the durability, because of how the jeans is, it's not really heavy like the ones on the normal market. Because the ones even when there's nothing inside, it feels bulky and heavy at your back. But then this one, because of the lighter the jeans is, you understand, or maybe the weight of the jeans, it's not really heavy at your back. You can easily use along. And also to the duration too is very important. A lot of these bags on the market will not really last like 6 months, but then you see it's getting distorted and all that.
Yes.
But then because of the jeans nature of these bags, it becomes very durable.
Yes.
Yeah, and then
even by holding it, I can feel how.
Yeah, you can feel just like how you
is.
treat your jeans. That's the same thing you treat this bag.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people have jeans like 4 years, 5 years.
Yes.
So this bag can also last to that to that extent. And all you need is to just wash it, and that's all. You are ready to go.
Okay.
So these are some of our products and all that. So you have side bags to that. We do side bags for students and all that. So mostly we get most of our orders from students of Takoradi Technical University.
Oh, okay.
Because they buy, we have a few clients and few people who do referral marketing for us over there.
Looking at how you source for the jeans and how people are paying for their jeans here, how do you want people to support you? How would you want support to be made to come on?
Okay, so right now we are looking at impact investors. We are looking at investors that has the environment at heart. Yeah, so we are looking for them to support our business just to maximize our production and also serve the people at large. We are also looking for media partners to just support us, to just educate the people about textile waste and how harmful or bad impact it has on our environment and also human life. Because you see most of these textiles, most of them ends up in the landfills, some ends up in our drainage systems, some also ends up being burnt, which at a large extent cause damage to properties and human life. So we are looking for people who are environmentally conscious to just support us with some funds to just buy more equipment. Yeah. So if you're out there watching, kindly support us with some few funds. We should buy more machines, employ the youth of Western region and Ghana at large, so that we can produce more fashionable product bags using textiles.
So, looking at what Common Sustainable Designs is doing for the community in Takoradi. If you are here in Takoradi or you are anywhere, please buy a bag, okay? Because we are all supposed to be supporting sustainability in our environment, right? Yes. So if you are in Takoradi, if you are anywhere, if you are even outside Ghana, please tell somebody about Common Designs. Tell somebody that also you found it here on Nana Badako's channel, and then bring your old jeans too as well, right?
Yeah, that's our innovation program we are running.
Yes. Don't go and throw it anywhere. Let's support the environment to be clean, to be sustainable for all of us. Okay, so on that note, see you in our next video. And also, I can't leave without saying see ya. Okay.